Alright, unboxing Xiaomi's first AI glasses. We have Mi logo here. This is quite a fat box, to be honest. Powered by Xiaomi HappyOS, and we have some basic information here. Notice it's IP54, that means it's protected against limited dust ingress and water splashes from any direction. Here we go. Ooh, a black case. It's well made, I mean. The same triangle shape like the Ray-Ban, but for the Ray-Ban it comes with the Type-C charging port. Okay, but for the Xiaomi it doesn't. It's just this triangle case. All right. Oh, actually not bad. Magnetic. Then we have the glasses here. We'll take a look at a little bit later. A quick guide, a Chinese quick guide. I'm not sure when will this go global, will it go global. Also, a cloth and a detailed manual. And on this side, we have a C2C charging cable and a diameter. And that's it. Now, let's take a quick look at the design. Yes, I changed the background because with black background, you barely see anything, right? And this is the front, and then on the right side, we have this what called the privacy indicator. And on the left side, we have a camera, and that is the lens. We have the Xiaomi logo here on the temple and the hinge here. We have this corporate color finish, looks a little bit more advanced, I guess. And here we have the speaker on top, also a speaker here, and there's camera key right here. This area is also the touch area, which I will show you a little bit later. Moving on, we have the Type-C charging port at the temple tip, and on the left, also Xiaomi logo, and this is the power case you'll press to, to pair a mic, a speaker, designed by Xiaomi. We have a really small text on the left temple, which includes SN number and the charging spec situation. If we take a closer look at the nose pad here, seems to adopt this really softer. It's still hard, but would be more comfortable when you wear it. And that's basically the design. Let me compare with Ray-Ban. I wouldn't say they are the twins, but they look like pretty similar, right? Oh my god, pretty similar, right? Can you tell which is which if I just show you from this angle? You cannot know, right? All right. But one thing for the Xiaomi is the temples of these glasses can bend outward up to 12 degrees, unlike Ray-Bans, which are barely bendable. A great fit for people with a wide face like me. But right now there is only one size. Now let's connect to the phone app. Alright, scan the QR code here. Let me know the footage. I found like in the settings there's no option to adjust the resolution, so which is kind of a bummer. I'm not sure if like for the Ray-Ban you can do that. I'm still learning to use the Ray-Ban.